evening, learners. Good evening. Welcome to Black Slides once again. My name is Mr. Pochilola. I continue taking you through logo design using Pixellab. Remember, in the previous video, I introduced to you this application, very powerful application you can use to make designs, different designs such as logos, say birthday invitation cards, or just wishing someone a happy birthday. So you can make a beautiful design using this application. So if you are watching this video for the first time, maybe you missed the previous one, I would urge you to go to Google Play Store or App Store if you're using an Apple product such as iPhone or iPad. Just search an application which is called the Pixellab. Pixellab, the first one that pops up is the one that you need to click. Okay, and then install it on your phone. But for me, I already have it, so I'll just go ahead open it. All right, so when you open Pixellab for the first time, it will take you to this background, all right, default background. Okay, and you have a text there which is new text. So go ahead, delete it. All you do is click the delete button, so it will disappear. All right, so next you change, you're going to change the background color. All right, so you change the background color. In order to do that, just click the background icon and then change color to say white and confirm the change. So you have this background color which you have just changed. Initially it was green, now it is white. Okay, so you go ahead, you add a shape, preferably since we are designing a log for my online school, which is called Black Slides. I'll choose a circular logo. Okay, so you click, you choose the circle here, and then you go down, choose what is called the stroke color. You want the circle to have a radius which is black. Okay, so you choose black color here, and then you go up again and increase the thickness of the circle. We call it stroke width. So you adjust this to 10 points per inch. All right. Okay, then you confirm the selection. So you have a circle, this one here. All right, and then you click this icon here, and the all right, so click the icon, select the circle, or rather deselect the shape, and then go to arrows, select arrows, and then you choose this shape. It will give you this arrow here, but want it to have same ends, same appearance on both ends. So you choose this one here again, and then go to stroke color. Go to stroke color, want it to be black, and then increase its width again to 10. Okay, so increase its width to 10, and then you confirm the selection. So you have something like this within the circle. All right, so this is something that you can adjust the size for. Okay, you can adjust it like this. All right, you can adjust it. You can adjust the arrow, stretch it so that it cuts through the circle like this, and then you orient it so that it is horizontal, and make sure that it's passing through the center of the circle. It's more or less like a diameter of the circle, right? Okay, so this is what we have. Okay, notice that you have a circle, and initially you had a circle, and then you have this arrow which strips through the circle. All right, then you go again to add shape. You go add shape, choose another circle, okay, and then go down to choose its color, stroke color, okay, and then click black again, and you go up and choose the width of the circle to 10, okay, something like this, okay, and then you adjust it so that it fits into the first circle, obscuring or hiding part of the arrow, making sure that it is centralized. Okay, so you adjust it nicely until it is properly centralized. All right, okay, so we have something like this. So we have two circles, one inside the other, and the securing or hiding part of the arrow. Okay, make sure that the inner circle is properly positioned or centralized. It's properly centralized, so adjust it nicely. Visually, it should appear to be properly centralized. Okay. All right. Now you can add some text to this. All right. So I want the text to be the name of my online school. In this case, black slides. So type black slides. Just black slides. Black slides online. Black slides online. So click OK to confirm selection. All right. So this is the name of the school. Black slides online. Just part of it, and then you can make adjustments to the text. All right. For example, you can choose the font type. The most recently used font is this one, 20 dB. All right. Then click OK to confirm selection. But also you can change its color, let's say to black. All right. So we want this text to fit into the circle, into part of the circle there. All right. So what we're gonna do is to change its shape by simply bending the text. So if you try to bend this, it's going to look like this. Watch what is happening. It's bending. All right. It's bending. So the idea is to have it fit into the circle there. All right. So there's need for us to adjust the size so that it fits nicely into the circle there. Let's bring the size to 40, for example. Right, so then we try to bring this into the circle like that. You can see it is fitting perfectly well. Yeah, you can bend it a bit more, okay, something like that, and then adjust again, something like this, okay. If you're not satisfied, you can bend a bit more so that we have something like this. Or if need be, we can reduce the size again. Let's reduce the size to 39. Yeah, so that we have something like this. Something like this. Again, there is need for us to adjust the bending. If we can try to adjust this a bit. All right, so you have something like that. Okay, you do this a number of times until you're satisfied. For me, I'm satisfied with the way it's a fitting there. All right, so black slides online, but then the name doesn't seem to be complete, so we need to add something. Okay, to add something. I still feel that there is need for us to readjust this so that it fits nicely. Need to get it a bit bendy. Yeah, I think this is better off. Yeah, it's okay now. We are able to read black slides online. Okay, then we add another text, so that we can now complete the name of the school. It's Black Slides Online Secondary School. So we need to add secondary school. Then we have a complete name, but we shall need again to test this text so that we have the right size. Remember, the initial one was 39, so we must have 39, but we can also change the font type. So the font type, we recently used 20 dB. Okay, so this is the font type, and then we can also choose the font color. So the color is the color that we are using is black. So choose black. Okay, but we need it to bend it, so shall apply bending curve. But now instead of going this way, we have to go to the left. You have to move this to the left until it bends enough to fit into this part. Right, so bend it more, bend it and try to adjust it so that it fits there. It fits here as exactly as possible. Right, so that's what we have now. Okay, now we can add in some icon in the center there, in the center of the circle. Let's say we add something like let's add something like some kind of icon for online education. Okay, I'd love to add this one in the center there, and then adjust the size. I'll remove the unnecessary part. Yeah, remove unnecessary part. Then it fits very well. As you can see, this fits very accurately. I mean, it picks up that part which is needed. Then you can accept this. But then you can see it's bigger than what we need. So adjust this size, and then try to drag this into the center here. Okay, so we have something like this. So our logo now is taking shape. All right, so we don't want these parts. Okay, what we've done here is just to put the parts together. So we don't want these parts to be scattered, like to be separate. We want this to act like one object. Okay, as one object. I'm still suspecting that this is not bending enough, so we can bend it again by going to curve, and then apply more bending. Okay, and adjust this a bit upper, something like this. All right. Okay, so I was saying that we don't want these parts to be moving around like this. We want this to be one object. So we are going to apply what is known as merging. All right. So in order to merge, you click this part, the panel, and then you choose merge, like that, and then you select all these parts and merge them. To merge them means to put them together so that they are like one object. Okay, now our logo is one thing, it's one object. Okay, all right, so we are good to go. Now next, you click the background and then choose transparent. You have something like this. All right, and then you come here again and you choose erase color. As you're erasing color, you adjust the tolerance to something like 70. Yeah, and then choose OK. All right, so this is our our logo. It's looking beautiful, don't you think? It looks so beautiful, and Now it looks complete. Right, then you save this one, you save this image as an image of high quality. So you choose extra quality, choose extra quality, and then save. All right.
Create any video you can imagine. Getting started with Bing Video Creator is easy. Open the Bing app and click.
Having done this, then we have saved our image. We have saved our logo, rather, sorry for these adverts. We have saved our logo as an image. Now, having done this, you can exit this and reopen Pixellab. Okay, so when you reopen Pixellab, you are going to have something like this. Okay, you have something like this. You have like a default window. So as before, you can delete this one, delete the text. So what we're going to do now is to bring that logo which we designed back. Okay, just watch. So we bring it back. It's this one here. You can see it's this one. So you can adjust the frames until you have just the logo only, the logo which you have designed. Okay, so we have something like this, right? So we have this. You can click OK. So this is our logo. Now, having done this, you click here and then choose add the texture. Add the texture. When you add texture, it means you want to choose how it is going to appear as a final product. I want it to appear golden, so my texture is going to be golden like this. Look, this is our logo coming out very beautifully. Okay, but you can still make further adjustments to it so that it looks a bit more magnified. It looks magnified and well defined. Okay, so in order to do that, just click stroke. Okay, and then when you click stroke, you're going to have something like this. Okay, if you want, you can increase the size, the stroke size, or you can just decrease it. It's all up to you. Eventually, what we are going to have is something like this. Let me redo this. You choose stroke size, okay, stroke, and then you can adjust the stroke to whatever size you want, as long as it's going to make it look beautiful and well designed. Okay, let's leave it to 2 where we found it. I mean the original settings, the default settings of the stroke width. Okay, so if you leave it like this, then we have something like that. Yeah, so our logo is completely designed. Okay. All right, you can also change the background so that maybe you place it on a white background. Yeah, so now our logo looks like this. Yeah, so that's our logo. I believe you have learned something. You have learned how to make a logo. You can design your own logo, customized to your business, customized to your business. All right, so unless you have questions, if you have any questions, any comments, don't hesitate to contact us, to contact me. And if you have better idea than this, you can just comment in the comment section there, and then we design together. For now, I want to leave you as you try to practice to design your own, to have your own design of a logo. All right, so in case you want to learn this further, don't hesitate to just express your interest in the comment section below this video. I'll be glad to design together with you. Bye bye for now.